Hi, my name is Liz Newton. Thank you for taking your time to watch this short video. I'm going to keep it short and sweet. I wanted to introduce myself. This is my first blog video. My intention is to put out a video with every blog post that I put out there, just a brief summary of what the blog post is about in case you want to read that instead of watching the video. The purpose of my blogs is going to be directed towards entrepreneurs, specifically entrepreneurs that are looking for marketing messages. And there's my dog, Bruce. He just lets himself in whenever. Anyway, now I'm sidetracked. The purpose of this YouTube channel is to talk about the world of entrepreneurship as it relates to you increasing your business and the different marketing that you can do to get to your prospects. Where do they live? Oh, now Bruce is hacking. That's awesome. Don't worry about Bruce. He's perfectly fine. He does this all the time. So, marketing and social media strategies that work for your business and tools. I'll be sharing all kinds of content that will help you, the entrepreneur, in advancing your business forward. Thank you again for watching. Sorry about that blooper with the dog. I would take it out, but it's kind of funny because I do have a sense of humor, and I'd like to share that with you all. So again, my name is Lizbeth Newton. You can find me on LinkedIn, on Facebook. It's Lisbet Newton, Newton. Thank you.